Mama, Papa, where's the turtle?
It's there.
Look at that. It's pulling really hard. Oh, he got it out.
What was it?
Something. Must be tasty that one. Look at that.
Root. And feeding baby. Iron.
Hey, Mama, what did you call me?
I told you all the mamas, they love their children.
I know. Where's
I'm sure it's mama, right?
Must be.
I see the turtle.
Look, he's pulling out really hard. Looking really hard.
I want water. The turtle's down there.
Yes, I am.
I want to go down the way. Is there another turtle?
Do you want to go up or do you want to go down there?
Down there.
Is he looking at us?
He's pulling really hard.
Oh, she's coming. Alright. Sophia, have some more water, please?
He's pulling so hard.
Yes.
Sophia. Otherwise, you're not going to have
You know what? I'm going to my dad's house. You know what?
Alright, girls. Look. This way or this way? Which one?
We want to actually just know that we actually want to look. I want to look over there. Baba,
Yes.
when is the turtle gonna cover his
I do it. 2 turtles. See.
one big one? I better see this. He's a male turtle.
How did you know?
Because male turtles are bigger than female turtles.
Girls, this way. Let's go play there. Alright, bye, Sophia.
How does she fit on?
Maybe. I don't know.
Wow! Did you miss it that way? The goose just got the goose. Wow! Big goose.
Oh, look at her. Ian, look. Ian. There are 2 turtles. One there. One there. Can you see?
No.
It will come up again. Just wait a minute. सास फेर्न पर्छ कि हो बिचमा turtle-लाई.
Maybe.
He swims for a while and then he brings his head out. Maybe he looks swim. Can you see over there?
Yes.